Nikita, as a client engagement strategist, you have been helping brands deepen their customer relationships. Can you share an example where purpose led storytelling significantly boosted the engagement or brand loyalty?
Okay, hello everyone. Thank you for having me here. Storytelling has been part of a lot of brands, and adding a purpose. That's what we try to create. Adding a purpose to the storytelling gives a much deeper connection with the clients rather than just selling your product and services. Uh, See, clients don't want to just be bombarded with your brand communication. The purpose resolves that we reach a stage of our life where we want to be heard, we want to be valued, we want to be engaged with with the relevance content. So I believe so. We initiated a project wherein we went beyond just brand communication. We went to our clients. We connected with them on various levels. For example, what wealth really means to them beyond numbers. Uh, what are they? What do they want to do with their wealth in the future generation? How they want to associate with different causes, how they want to leave a meaningful remark for with their wealth. So these are various stories that came up, and honestly, in this interaction, there was a huge openness that we saw. They shared not just technical details; it was beyond. They went emotional. They narrated stories which probably they wouldn't have really spoken about for many years, and it was nostalgic. And yeah, so and we tried in many ways to make a meaningful purpose of their stories through our brand communication. I think that's how purpose is more impactful. It gives you a much deeper connection with your clients.
Sure. Thanks for that. In fact, what was interesting is that in a category like finance, which is largely driven by numbers, the storytelling, and the empathy part came into play, and I think that's really interesting.
So I'll tell you the audience, it's not just finance. I've been fortunately related to the UHNI segment for more than a decade now. So when you talk about this audience, they are very aware audience, I would say. They know exactly what they want, what are their needs, what are the solution for their needs, and how they want to be heard. So it's a very, very well educated, well aware audience. So, the purpose, that's when the purpose come into the picture. When it's not just about the brand and the product and services, you add value to the services that you provide to them.
Right. Thanks for that. When it comes to engagement, I'm tempted to ask Nikita, with customers bombarded by messages daily, what does true engagement look like in 2025?
Uh, I feel in today's generation, the frequency of communication is not the key. The relevance, the authenticity, and uniqueness is the key to a very successful engagement. However, unless the client is, they feel the importance, they feel that they have been heard or valued, or a brand is adding any value to their life aspirations, I mean, that's when communication or engagement makes a lot of difference. I'll give you an example. Like I mentioned earlier, we engage with very high net worth individuals, and accessing anything in the world is very easy for them. However, it's a very big challenge when you have to curate experiences or communication offline or face to face for this kind of audience. So we try to do things which are beyond regular. For example, as small as launching a pre-launch restaurant experience wherein a Michelin star chef, along with one of the promoters of the restaurant, comes to your table and take a genuine feedback and engage on various topics of discussion. So that's when the consumer, the client really feels that this is not possible for them to buy with money, or it's like money cannot buy these kind of experiences. That's when the true engagement happens. And there are a lot of times that people know each other and never met, so these engagement gives them a platform where you must have spoken or you must have heard about people, but you really get to see them and engage with them in live environment. I think that's where a true engagement makes a difference.